Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another small kit that I created, and yeah, I only have four kits here, two in this blue tin and two in this pink tin, and yeah, the shape like so. And I used the small envelope, and so yeah, and let me to show you. This is the ballerina snippet roll kit. So yeah, everything inside is same, but oh yeah, only the blue and the pink is something different. Just one, I believe it's just one lace is different color. So this is the snippet roll. I put everything in here. So actually, if you order this, you can't fit in this box, but you can use this box to do your others project. Anyway, I just use this to hold all this item here. So yeah, you have the laces. The length is quite I think more than 1 yard. Yes. So, and I'm going to open all and show you. Okay, only the blue kit, you have this ruffle cotton in blue for the blue kit. If for the pink kit, is the pink color. So yeah, okay, oh yeah. And this also for the blue kit, you have this blue, and the pink kit is the pink. And yeah, oh sorry, you have three different, yeah, the difference is this blue kit, you have the blue, very beautiful. This one is like you can see the shining, the glitter, yeah, it is shining. Okay, just three laces color is different between the pink and blue kit. Okay, so yeah, for this you have this beautiful shabby chic ruffle organza lace. Okay, and this one I showed you just now. And this one you can cut this out to do your project. And this one, beautiful shining shimmery, whatever, and put the pink tiny trim, and also this in pink, and then this, so you can cut or just layer on your roll. And this white one lace. So yeah, you can use this as a base or layer. Yeah, just see how you play with this. Okay, and layer another layer. And this is the ruffle one, so you can cut and see how you play with this. Okay, this roll, and also with some of the vintage cotton lace is small pieces, you can just cut it out. Okay, and yeah, I just include this so you see how you can do. Maybe you can make two snippet roll with all this item here, because it's quite a lot here. Yeah, because snippet roll you just cut small pieces and to decorate your roll. So yeah, there's quite a lot here, so you can do I think more than 2 project here. So this is the laces for this blue. Luna. This is Luna. This one and all this here. Okay. So yeah, let me roll it back. So all this is the laces. No. Okay. Yeah, just one. Yeah, cause you like to play with. Hey, no. No. Luna, what are you doing? Sorry. So yeah, you can use all this item to make more than one project. So I put everything here. This is the blue tin box. I show you the pink, okay? But what's the difference of the pink and the blue, okay? So yeah, you can see the pink. You've got this pink, and everything is the same. No, Luna, please. And this, like I just mentioned, this is the pink, and the shimmer one, this is the pink. So others all is same. So let me do roll back because she would like to play with all the laces. Look. No way, no way. No way. Okay, let me put back in. Okay, and now you got this crochet, little tiny crochet flower with different color, all in. Let me check. Yeah, look, I'm crazy of crochet at the moment. Okay, so you got these two, one pink and one is pigment, and the yellow one, and the pink one, and the green with the bits one, and this like a skin color, or this color, and also the small one. So you can use all this to decorate your roll. Okay, I need to put in everything just in case the little cookie and come and play. Okay, and the image is I print out all on the fabric. So you can trim the size you want. Okay. This one, I think this is, and this is same, but just the color is the difference. Okay. There's so many image here. Okay, this is the ballerina image, and the tag here I print because I tried many times, but anyway I just include everything because some is the color is not so good, but I just because I already print out until I test this one I happy with this color because big and bright. So anyway, this I just don't want to throw it away. I just include into this kit. So yeah, maybe you can use it to others project or whatever. Okay, so I include this and other ballet. We got two different, and this one also you can see cherry is okay, but the wording is quite small, so I not so happy with it. So I did again. So this is the last, yeah, and I happy with this big letter. So anyway, I include all into the kit for you all. So yeah, that's it. All this is the kit, only have 4. So yeah, if you are interested, just place your order under the color that you choose. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, thanks again for everyone for your support and taking your time to leave me a comment on my YouTube channel, and I truly appreciate each comments, and thanks again. So yeah, they only have 4 sets. So yeah, so if you're interested, you have to hurry, and bye bye, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like this kit.